Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can delete incognito history on Windows PC and laptop. In order to delete your incognito history on Windows PC and laptop, now this procedure is going to be same for Chrome, Edge or Firefox. So I'm going to be showing you the ways on how you can do it. First of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your device is up to date, and after that you need to open up the Windows tab from the right at the bottom. Once you tap on it on the search box, you need to type in CMD or just type in command prompt and you need to open it up. Basically you'll have to make some changes or just type in a small code. So you can see you have the command prompt. All you need to do is just type in ipconfig. After that you need to give a slash, make sure there's no space, and type in flushdns. And don't worry about the code, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After that, press enter. Once you've done that, you've successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache. So this is how you can delete your incognito history on Chrome, Edge or on any of your web browser. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.